Number 1. 1981 Harley-Davidson Roadster, $3,000, Sturtevant, Wisconsin. The 1981 Harley-Davidson Roadster represents the final years of the legendary Ironhead Sportster era, offering classic American V-twin performance with sporty styling and a distinctive vintage personality. These Roadster models remain popular among Harley enthusiasts for their simple mechanics, strong customization potential, and enjoyable riding experience. According to the seller, this example features fresh factory-style blue and silver paint, a Mustang seat, disc brakes all around, and new engine gaskets. The engine reportedly runs excellent, the transmission shifts flawlessly, and the bike is described as leak-free and ready to ride. For buyers searching for a well-sorted classic Harley, this Roadster is an excellent value.
Nice Harley mufflers. Entire motor was rebuilt, all new gaskets. This is an excellent example of a 1981.
Number 2. 1960 Maico 175 SS, $4,900, Lynchburg, Tennessee. The 1960 Maico 175 SS is a rare German motorcycle that showcases the craftsmanship and engineering for which Maico became well known during the post-war era. Produced in far smaller numbers than many British and Japanese motorcycles, these lightweight classics have become increasingly desirable among collectors seeking something unique. According to the seller, this motorcycle is in very good condition, runs great, and comes with a title in the seller's name. Its rarity and well-preserved condition make it an appealing opportunity for enthusiasts looking to add an uncommon European classic to their collection. Number 3. 1979 Yamaha XS 650 Special, $2,200, Valdosta, Georgia. The 1979 Yamaha XS 650 Special is one of Yamaha's most recognizable twin-cylinder motorcycles, combining classic styling with dependable Japanese engineering and a loyal enthusiast following. Its smooth engine, simple maintenance, and strong aftermarket support continue to make it a favorite among vintage motorcycle fans. According to the seller, this example is ready to ride, performs well on the highway, and everything functions as it should. With its affordable price and reliable reputation, this XS 650 Special offers an excellent opportunity for anyone looking to enjoy a classic Japanese motorcycle. Number 4. 1973 BMW R75/5, $5,000, St. Louis, Missouri. The 1973 BMW R75/5 is one of BMW's most celebrated airhead models, admired for its smooth boxer twin engine, exceptional reliability, and timeless touring capabilities. The long-wheelbase toaster tank version produced for a single model year has become especially desirable among collectors and vintage BMW enthusiasts. According to the seller, this motorcycle has been thoroughly serviced with new gaskets, upgraded suspension components, stainless headers, brand new Dunlop tires, and other mechanical improvements. It also includes original luggage and is described as needing nothing before hitting the road. For buyers seeking a beautifully prepared vintage BMW, this R75/5 is an outstanding example. Number 5. 1982 Kawasaki Spectre 750, $1,200, Slinger, Wisconsin. The 1982 Kawasaki Spectre 750 blends classic Japanese four-cylinder performance with the cruiser-inspired styling that became increasingly popular during the early 1980s. Known for its smooth engine and comfortable ride, the Spectre remains an affordable choice for riders looking to enter the world of vintage motorcycles. According to the seller, this motorcycle runs and drives great, handles long trips with ease, and all major functions are working properly. While it does have an oil leak, it still offers strong performance and is described as a great beginner or weekend cruising bike. For buyers searching for an inexpensive classic Kawasaki, this Spectre delivers plenty of value. Number 6. 1970 BSA A65 Thunderbolt, $3,700, Dunkirk, Maryland. The 1970 BSA A65 Thunderbolt is a classic British twin admired for its strong 650cc parallel twin engine, timeless styling, and engaging riding experience. As one of BSA's most successful models, the Thunderbolt continues to attract enthusiasts who appreciate vintage British motorcycles with plenty of character. According to the seller, this example runs great and features new tires while remaining largely original aside from period-style fork extensions and a chopper seat installed by the original owner. It also comes with paperwork and extra parts, making it easy to return to a more stock appearance if desired. For buyers looking for a clean and honest British classic, this A65 is an excellent choice. Number 7. 1973 Triumph Tiger, $6,000, Norridge, Illinois. The 1973 Triumph Tiger is a legendary British motorcycle that blends lightweight handling with the unmistakable character of Triumph's parallel twin engine. Well known for its reliability and timeless design, the Tiger remains a favorite among collectors who appreciate authentic vintage British machines. According to the seller, this example is remarkably original, with the handlebars being the only notable modification. Everything is reported to function as it should, making it an attractive option for enthusiasts searching for a well-preserved classic Triumph that's ready to ride and enjoy. Number 8. 1975 Suzuki T500, $2,900, Howell, Michigan. The 1975 Suzuki T500 is one of Suzuki's most respected two-stroke twins, praised for its smooth power delivery, dependable performance, and simple mechanical design. Often referred to as the Titan, the T500 has earned a loyal following among collectors of classic Japanese motorcycles thanks to its durability and distinctive riding experience. According to the seller, this motorcycle starts easily and runs well, but has been sitting for some time and could benefit from a little care and cosmetic attention. With a clean title already in hand, it offers an excellent opportunity for buyers looking to restore or simply enjoy a vintage two-stroke classic. Number 9. 1969 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead, $10,000, Wadsworth, Ohio. The 1969 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead is an iconic American touring motorcycle that represents the early years of Harley's legendary shovelhead engine. Revered for its unmistakable V-twin sound, classic styling, and strong collector appeal, the 1969 model remains one of the most desirable vintage Harleys from the era. According to the seller, this generator shovelhead starts, shifts, runs, and stops well, while featuring matching engine case numbers, an S&S Super E carburetor, and a 4-speed transmission. It also includes a clean Ohio title and has been carefully garage-kept. For enthusiasts seeking an authentic classic Harley with excellent restoration potential, this FLH is a standout opportunity. Number 10. 1977 Honda Goldwing GL1000, $700, Williamston, Michigan. The 1977 Honda Goldwing GL1000 helped establish Honda's reputation for building comfortable, dependable touring motorcycles that could cover long distances with ease. Its smooth, flat-4 engine and durable engineering continue to make the early Goldwing a favorite among vintage touring enthusiasts. According to the seller, this motorcycle starts and runs, but will need additional mechanical attention before regular use. The carburetors have recently been cleaned with new intake O-rings installed, and the tires are in good condition, although the brakes and throttle still require work. With a clean title and an affordable price, this GL1000 offers an excellent restoration project for classic Honda fans.